All right, welcome everybody. Good afternoon, good morning, and good evening, wherever you are. This is Al Pelayo. This is also for my team. Shout out to Arthur, Mr. James, Leonie, Chris, Jack, and Charlie. And welcome everybody. So today, ito lang, Glam Residences quick presentation. This is located sa Quezon City along EDSA near or right beside GMA 7. What SM could offer is a prime location na malapit talaga sa business district, Central Business District, located along EDSA and Summer Avenue, connected in existing and future transportation developments. Later on, discuss natin yan. It provides complete cosmopolitan home for success-driven singles looking for convenience and indulgence with 12% growth rate in value appreciation. Totoo to, guys. So, almost every year, tumataas siya ng 12% or 10%. Okay, glamorous amenities. We'll discuss that later. Safe and secure environment. Yeah, meron 24/7 na security, CCTV. Actually, sa mga pools, meron din mga mga lifeguard. Alright, easy payment terms. Okay, let's discuss that later. Okay, prime location, malapit siya sa MRT, GMA Kamuning Station and GMA Network. So, halimbawa, kung papaupahan nyo to, this would be very enticing for those who wants a quiet life and halimbawa, nag-work yung si Mrs. nagtatrabaho sa Quezon City, tapos si Mr. naman nagtatrabaho sa Makati. So, napaka-convenient nito. Madali mang makasakay. Okay, malapit din sa mga SM North. SM North, Eton Centris, UP Techno Hub, Vertis, Araneta Center. So, kung magmamalling kayo, malapit. Actually, halos likod nyo lang yung yung ABS-CBN, tapos GMA 7, halos katabi nyo lang din. Kaya, napaka-accessible. Actually, mga friends ko sa Manila, kadalasan ang gimmick namin dyan, Quezon City area. So, maraming kainan dyan, maraming kapihan. So, napakalapit. So, kung magbi-business din kayo dyan, dami kayong target market dyan. Okay? Major establishments, malapit sa Makati, 9.6 kilometers. Sa Manila, Puntang Manila, 5.8 kilometers. Sa Ortigas, 8.2 kilometers. St. Luke's, dangka lang ng E. Rodriguez, 2.5 kilometers. Kung anak niyo nag-aaral sa UP, 3.4 kilometers. So, napaka-accessible ng lugar. Triangle Park, Quezon City's new and official Central Business District. It's a 250-acre designated property mixed use with retail, commercial, and residential institutions. 3.7 km away from Glam Residences. Yung mga nasa triangle na yan, yung mga business districts, ganoon lang siya kalapit, 3.7 kilometers away. Okay, you can see sa map. Okay, magkakaroon din ng Soler Resort. So, magiging very booming tong location na to. But wait, there's more. Metro Rail Transit 3, tatayo na rin. MRT, GMA Kamuning Station, yung current. Yan, so, watch out for that. Metro Rail Transit 7 will consist of 14 stations from North EDSA to San Jose del Monte. Accessible from Glam Residences via Unified Grand Central Station. So, paki-zoom nyo na lang yung kanyang, or i-research nyo na lang. North Avenue, Quezon Memorial. Papunta saan to? Papunta NLEX. Okay, so Kaya connectivity, magkakaroon din ng subway. Will consist of 18 stations from Quirino Highway to Bikutan. Wow! So, hindi ka na talaga magdadala ng sakyan. Totoo, napakahirap talaga. Kahit ngayon, nakamotor ka, ang hirap sumikit dahil sa traffic. Akala ko motor na yung solusyon, but kondo pa lang solusyon. Yan, Grand Central Stations, also known as North Triangle Common Station, will connect LRT 1, MRT 3, MRT 7, and Metro Manila Subway. Again, lahat to is one station away from Glam Residences. Ayun, ito yung building natin. It consists of 2,966 sitting on a 6,954 square meter. Parking is 917. Okay, mga unit types na available are 1 bedroom ranging from 23.70 square meter to 37.97 square meter. So average price niya is 268,000 per square meter. So para madali nyo computein. So okay, so multiply nyo lang by 268,000. Okay, so itong Glam, to malapit sa Victoria 2. I think project yan ng San Jose. And Victoria 1, yung Pag-ibig Fund Office, andyan dyan. GMA 7, andyan dyan. Okay, amenity floors. Ground floor, 5th floor, at saka roof deck. So, tatlo yung amenity floors natin, ha. Ground floor, 5th floor, at saka yung roof deck amenities. Let's go through it. Alright. Residential Grand Lobby. Yan, ground floor. So, makikita nyo, may drop-off point, may main lobby, reception area, lift lobby, elevator, mailroom and mezzanine, lounge areas. Kaya maganda to kung meron kang mga bisita, diyan mo na sila papaupuin, diyan mo na sila mimit. So, hindi mo na sila kailangang papuntahin sa unit mo. Okay, syempre, kung gusto mo medyo mas matagal-tagal kayo, eh, pwede mo silang ipasyal sa unit mo or pwede kayo pumunta sa mga amenities. Kaya madami kayong magagawa. So, when you buy a condo unit, hindi lang to, you're not just buying the room or the unit, but it includes etong mga amenities na to. Napakaganda ng drop-off point. Grand lobby, parang hotel. Reception, which is may receptionist dyan, na parang hotel. Kagandahan dyan, pag halimbawa, galing kayo abroad. Tapos gusto nyo ma-meet yung mga kaibigan nyo, or friends nyo, or family nyo. Pero meron iba, pupunta rin dyan. Pwede siya pupuntahin dyan. Pwede siya pupuntahin. Now, meron naman, syempre, pag galing kayo abroad, akala ng iba, namumulot kayo ng pera sa abroad. So, marami diyang nagkakasakit. Marami dyan nawalan ng trabaho. Marami dyan mangungutang. So, kung wala kayong energy or kakayanan para ma-meet sila, pwede silang hindi makaakyat o makausap kayo. Okay, so may nagpo-protect sa inyo dito. Okay. Which goes to say na meron din 24/7 security yan. CCTV. Yan, ito po yung ating lift lobby. Ganda po, di ba? Yan, mezzanine, yan. Pwede kayong mag-upo po dyan, kwento-kwento. Lounge area. Yan, ito yung facade ng Glam Residences. Okay, 5th floor amenities. Ano-ano meron dyan? Meron tayong yan, amenity lounge. Again, pang chit-chat, aral-aral ka dyan, binabasa ka, basa ka ng kape, ng dyaryo habang nagkakape. Tingin ka sa mga TikTok mo or YouTube. Yan, pwede ka mag-relax dyan. Function room. Yan, kung meron kayong binyag, birthday, reunion, hindi ka na mahihirapan maghanap kung saan kayo magbubuk. Ito na meron. Ito may extra bayad to, no? Pero, syempre, ang priority dyan, yung mga unit owners. So, you have that privilege. Yan, gym. Hindi nyo na kailangan magbayad ng membership. Kung nagbabayad ka sa Anytime Fitness, I think 2.5 per month. Dito, libre na. Okay, libre na. Now, meron din jogging trail. Pwede kayo mag-jogging. Actually, pwede rin maglakad doon, lap pool. So, hindi nyo na kailangan pumunta sa mga resort pag magsiswimming ka, gusto mag-training, gusto mo magpalakas ng cardio. Actually, pag ang advice nga ng mga doktor pag masakit daw tuhod mo, kahit kailangan mag-cardio, mag-swimming ka na lang. Kasi knee-friendly ito yung swimming. Pool deck. Yan, again, pwede kayo mag-chit-chat dyan. Pero bawal yata kumain dyan. Jacuzzi. Water feature. Outdoor lounge. Yan, play area. Kung meron kayong mga pamangkin, anak na mga maliliit pa, meron kayong bisita, may kasama mga chikiting, pwede mo silang dalhin dyan. Pool and splash pad. Yan yung mga splash pad, mga tampisaw lang. Okay, now we'll go to roof deck amenity. So, medyo pa letter T siya, no? Yan, Miss Cow Lounge. Imagine mo yan. Diyan kayo magkakape-kape. Napakaganda ng view. Ayan, meron kang ini-interview. Say, for example, meron kang digital marketing business. Ngayon, gusto mo i-meet personally, face-to-face, yung mga providers, like yung mga video editor, or i-interview mo yung mga telemarketer or email marketer. Napakaganda yung lugar. Okay, viewing deck at night. Yan. Okay. Ito makikita nyo sa summer side. Hindi ito summer, summer side. Summer Avenue kasi yun sa likod yan. Yan yung view nyo. Now, sa roof deck, EDSA side, ito naman kita nyo. Yung bundok ng east yan mga Tanay, mga ganun, mga Rizal area. Sierra Madre yata dyan Okay, paki-check na lang. Residential floors. So, 5th floor, 6th floor, tapos yung 7 to 44th floor. So, medyo iba kasi yung kanyang configuration. So, let's go with 5th floor. Meron din sa 5th floor, mga 1 bedroom lang with balcony. Tsaka 1 bedroom with balcony na semi-furnished. Yan. So, yung kulay blue, yan yung 1 bedroom with balcony, regular. Then yung kulay green, yun naman ang semi-furnished. Okay, yung kulay orange, garbage room. Okay, so ganon. Pag may basura kayo, lagay sa garbage bag, lalagay nyo lang dyan sa garbage room. Okay, gusto nyo sa bandang gitna pumesto para malapit sa garbage room, pwede. Pero kung ayaw nyo naman maamoy, for sure hindi naman naamoy yan. Pero kung maamoy, dito sa bandang mga end units. So, depende sa preference mo at ng client mo. 6th floor, ito naman. Ganun din, may 1 bedroom na regular, pero meron din 1 bedroom with balcony. Yung isa kasi, yung kanina, parehong may balcony niya. Ito, isa meron, isa wala. Again, with the garbage room. Now, from 7 to 44th floor, ito mix na. Merong 1 bedroom, merong 1 bedroom with balcony, merong 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 bedroom with balcony. Okay, so yung mga yellow, yun yung 1 bedroom. Yung green, 1 bedroom with balcony. Now, yung red, yun yung 2 bedroom. So, for this floor, isa lang siya. Okay. Yan ang layout natin. So, pwede nyo screenshot na lang para makita nyo. So, one bedroom natin nag-range from 23.72 to 34.81 square meters. With balcony, 26.82 to 37.97 square meter. And then the two bedroom is 45.56 square meter. Yan. Ito yung mga deliverables natin. Lagay pa din yung screenshot. Yan, tiles, painted cement finish. Yan, makita nyo naman dyan. Basahin nyo lang. Okay. As of now, ganyan ang itsura niya. Construction update. Okay. Now, let's go to payments. Okay. Ano mga pwedeng payment nila? Again, ang reservation natin is 50,000 pesos for unit or per unit. Kung kasama ng parking, additional 10,000 for parking. Now, there are other charges, 6.5% for units and parking. So, if you want to know more about the other charges, you can check our other video on FAQs, frequently asked questions. Okay, so nandun yung sagot. So, meron tayong spot cash, 100% cash in 30 days. Meron kang unit discount of 10% and 4% on the parking. Spot down payment. So, 5% spot, 15% in 35 months. Tapos yung 80% through cash or bank. Spread down payment. So, yung 50% can be spread into 36 months. Then, the balance, which is 85%, is spread. Okay, but in this case, wala na siyang discount both on the unit and on the parking. Deferred cash, 100% in 120 months. Pang parking slots only. Okay, so bali parking, sa parking, pag yung parking ang babayaran ninyo, pwede siyang 122 months hulug-hulugan. Okay, again, in that case, no discount. Okay, now, double deal promo. 12% TLP discount. Pakitype nga sa comment kung ano yung TLP. Okay. Plus, 3% additional seller's incentive or buyer's discount. OR buyer's discount. For all basic furnished residential units highlighted in green in seller's portal. Okay, now, meron pa isang deal which is 17% TLP discount. Okay, 3% additional seller's incentive. Okay, so for more updated, actually quarter 1 to, no? Actually, etong quarter 2, meron tayong ibang promo na much better, triple treat eh. I think na-post na yan. Okay. Now, good home promo. Free good home furnishing package promo. Pag bumili sila, libre na yung furnishing. So, pag nag-goods na yan, tapos na-transfer na yung certificate of ownership, pwede na paupahan agad-agad. Napakaswerte yung unang uupa dyan. Okay. Ito yung good home. Yan yung mga kasama sa mga furnished. Okay, may sofa, may kama, may cabinets, may dining table. Okay, sample computation. Pa-screenshot na lang. Okay, dito tayo sa may down payment. So, halimbawa, ang worth nung ito spot DP 5.701. Now, Less 30,000 discount, company discount. Term discount, wala. 15% promo discount, which is 808. So, ang babayaran niya lang is only 4,579,000. Now, there's a VAT na 549 and other charges of 6.5%. So, lumalabas 5,426, 5.2, 5.4 na lang siya. Ngayon, pag nare-reserve ka na na 50,000, then in spot cash down payment was 5%, 1 month, then spot cash amount will be 221,325. Yun yung 5% down payment. Tapos, kung 15 months, 15%, spread on 23 months, so 35,000 per month. So, ang balance mo na lang, which is 80%, 4,341,000. Yan na lang yung i-course rin nyo sa bangko, or kung gusto nyo bayaran ng cash, pwede naman. Okay, so again, for my team, paki-screenshot to, then review this. Okay, isa sa key success ng SMDC projects is their property management. And now, most of the projects are managed by Green Mist. So, there will be a property doorman, reception services, 24-hour security, CCTV, on-site concierge, on-demand professional cleaning and house repair. Yan. SM Good Stay naman, kung alam ba, papaupahan nyo yung unit ninyo and you can get their service para sila yung hahanap ng uupa ng tenants for your property. So, may basic and premium. Merong long-term lease, may short-term lease. Yeah, merong tenancy management like cleaning, repair, maintenance, and managerial services. And unit furnishing packages. Halimbawa, gusto nyo, bilhin mo nga ng ganito, ng ganyan yan. Halimbawa, say, bilhin mo ng aircon. Tapos kapitan mo na rin ng wallpaper. Tapos kapitan mo ng carpet. Pwede. Okay, ito yung mga awards ng SM recently. Best Connectivity Condo Development and Best Condo Interior Design. Yan. Yung last natin na award is 2023. Alright, Glam Residences. For more information, contact Alpi Team. Team Alpi of SMDC. Alright, bye.